It's all just like really fun and cool.
So today is Wright Brothers Day. We have a whole bunch of companies here to celebrate the legacy that they left behind and the lasting impact that they've had on like innovation and aviation. And it's a great chance for students to network and try out some of the cool things.
This is actually our eTMS Ohio study. So we are actually running a clinical trial geared towards veterans and first responders that are suffering from PTSD. We stimulate a certain area of the brain, which will then make a twitch in your ends of your fingers, in your distal phalanges.
I'm learning a lot. I just talked to two guys at Sear Consulting. Really cool. They're building a bot to help with clients and getting new clients and running them through almost like a form, but sort of like almost between a form and ChatGPT, where it's sort of helping the company ask the right questions and get the answers, even if the client's being a little stubborn or sort of getting lost in their answers.
So currently what it is doing is monitoring this robot. This robot we don't make, but how it's being monitored is what we do. Like with our software factory view online, we can do this. So this is kind of a new innovation.
There was a scan for like burn victims where you scan their face and then they make a custom mask for their face to make sure that the scarring tissue goes down. It's just really cool. I love going to all these events and everything. I like being able to experience more.
There could be a student in here right now talking to somebody right now, and they're going to make a huge impact, and that's something that we celebrate at Wright Brothers Day.
I already did.